Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. This is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro dollar, definitely very, very weak to the downside, as you can see. We do have a couple options here. I mean, this definitely could be an A, a B, and now we're going down for a wave C, which at this point does seem like the more likely scenario before it actually does end up making a bigger move to the upside. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, what I mean is this move up right here definitely looks like three waves right now. It looks like one up, it looks like two down, so ABC down or WXY down, and it definitely looks like an uptrend. So if this is like a wave A and this is actually a wave B, then this is potentially now going down for like a wave C, which would potentially be 5 waves of wave C. So anyways, let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still down. We are still doing nothing but looking for shorts on shorter time frames. This is all still one trend right here, so it's still most likely a wave 1. Could be a wave A, but I think it's more likely a wave 1 at this point. At some point, it probably is going to turn up and make a correction to this move down, which will likely be a wave 2 or maybe a wave B. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, now that we got this new or this equal low, now we can move our support level or our structure level to right here, which means that if it breaks this level, then that pretty much proves to me that this whole downtrend is over. This wave 1 or possibly wave A on the daily time frame is complete. So as soon as we get that break of structure, we can throw a Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down, and I would expect to see some sort of a three-way pattern like an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, on the 1 hour time frame, now that we got this new equal low right here, we can move our structure level down to here, which is great news for us because that's a much closer confirmation for the end of a wave A or the end of a wave 1 that we have on the daily time frame. So if this goes up and just blows right through this Fibonacci level, then that's going to tell me that the wave A or wave 1 is complete, and that is definitely going to turn me into a buyer after we get pullbacks after the break of structure. But I would be still a little cautious. I mean, there's no guarantees that it's going to break structure. It could still make three waves up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, and it could still just keep on trending down. So definitely keep in mind that this could be a correction to this last wave, but we'll have to keep an eye on it because it does look like it is possibly ready for a break of structure to the upside, and if it does break structure, that definitely will turn me into a buyer at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.